Pistolville, nigga. The shit's real. Yeah, nigga. Mob life. Yeah, yeah. Shit real, nigga. Yo. Damn. My life is so fisted, twisted like a motherfucker dog. How you gonna fix it? People say get on your knees and pray. Listen what them pussies say. Come on, dog. Acting like they know how to follow my way and live my life, son. So I got plenty how I do in the hood, son. What you say, nigga, ready hard. Anybody that come away, that's what I ever done. That's how you pistol play. Cause I don't give a fuck about nothing. I pray to this music. You already know, son, no excuse, son. Fucking don't see it, excuse me. Cause you already know, son, this shit will get you touched. You already know the game is mine, son. You already know that you get the rush. You already see it's on deck. A ghost in the shell. My happiness, my happy days. A gone motherfucker, son. What happened, son? It's where it stay. This game is played. It's whatever with me. Come on, dog, in the game, son. Every day. I still feel victory like I rap it. A champion in the hood, young, you know I grab the weapon. That's just all I got, boy in the block right by my side with this music shit and my soldiers, that's ready to ride and make a motherfucker die. Cause it's ride with me, cause every day it's a homicide. From a dog, a new story. Put you on the news, son. What you saying? You looking so worried. Come on, dog, you should be scared, young. Death is coming, son. How you gonna say it? It's Pistolville City, nigga. I'm here to stand, cause I don't give a damn about nothing. I'm in grassroots, I'm in the shelter, son. What the fuck you saying? Y'all say, y'all speak the truth. I got my street troopers, nigga. Street shooters. Come with dog to introduce you to death in them bullets. These niggas think it's just a game, son. Rapping that boy, it ain't no bullshit. They coming around, young, talking about you got extended clips. I'm gonna fucking with it. Little nigga, hold up, you ain't nothing to the kid. Bunch of cowards, like a cowardly lion. Why you coming around me still crying? Punk niggas, they still landing, still coming, they still dying. Laying up on their back, they still turning frying like I'm in the oven. Welcome to hell, welcome young with the ghost from the shell, from the darkness. Ain't no respect what I'm giving, motherfucker. And yeah, I gotta tell you hardness, it's really regardless. Y'all niggas can't come around, you wanna take a part of this. I'm back up in it, coming around the game and spinning, nigga, on the real. It's still real. Niggas from the Watkins, the niggas see John Thunder hit them shots in, the niggas ducking in they cars and they still think they really can't get killed, so they think they harder, man. Come on, dog, what the fuck you saying? Little nigga, I'm here, young, still in the lane, still in Berlin. I hate this motherfucking place. I hate this whole world, young. It's a disgrace. A disgrace still the fact that I ain't got a girl by my side. You ever know I'm a real nigga. I don't need no bitch, let her ride. Now I don't give a damn, son. I don't need them young to help me, young. I'm out this bitch trying to survive this weak ass life. Come on, dog, and I do what I do. Hate the fact that I rap the mob life. That's where there be a nigga with an attitude, son. Get that right, see me in the dark. Come on, John, baby, can see me, son. Is there a heart? Motherfucker, get your game fixed. These niggas want that blood fucking beat, son. You already know I'm on that album, son. Yeah, young, doing the same kid. Come on, dog, making moves. And then banging music for your head, nigga. And these niggas are scared, nigga. Little pistol. And nigga supposed to be dead, nigga. So they supposed to be trying to get me locked up. Make my day, nigga. Fuck you up. Niggas already know son, the skinny niggas ready. Come around all day, boy. They come and tell me, you already know, John. It's real, John. Freestyle Unit Records. I gotta do this so reckless and ruthless. Commodore, expect it, motherfucker, come around with 2 clips. The 2 these niggas out here making boys flip off they wig, nigga, like some omelet. Come on, dog, come to harm the kid. Come that shit down, young. You already know, nigga. Put them palm ready with them guns. You know what's on with the drama that these niggas coming at me, young. I can't be happy. Make my days, son. Come and scrap with me, motherfucker, with the motherfucking burners. You know how I do with the violence, son. It's turning in circles. When I'm shooting motherfuckers everywhere in my sight. Yeah, young, remember the coming down in my area. You already know, make these motherfuckers remember. Good guy still, good guy that still will kill you motherfuckers out there, son. Sit still, come on, dog. It's pistol from Pistolville, pistol day, nigga. Why, young? What the fuck is the deal? Why your mind so ill? You need therapy, kid. You need some counseling and shit. Why you take a seat in the chair, motherfucker talking shit. Little nigga, hold on, watch you go in the streets where ain't no cameras and no witnesses, son. And so I can put you to peace. Bitch ass niggas don't know, young. You ain't shit without the police. Cause you already know I'm one of them OGs. Bitch, you ain't ready to fucking face. Cause you already know it's the pistol. Pistol is on the waist. Come on, dog, and ready to bust loose niggas. Yeah, give your bones a break. And take your soul, yeah, I will take and burn it. Motherfucker, taking that hell with me, young. These little niggas on the colonel, kid, on my motherfucking balls. These little niggas see, John, nigga. This shit is talk. Come on, dog, come on, dog. You see me, John. I do what I do. Freestyle unit. Pistol in the game. Make my day, bitch. Yeah. Back. Second chapter, like a second verse. These niggas out here in the hood, nigga, get the chopper, John. Let me show you how I do in no words, motherfucker, this bust, nigga. Automatically at these niggas, totally running all touch. Niggas wanna see me in the bus stop, they tryna bust me, son, with them guys saying, keep me young, you already know what's the rush. Young little pistol win the game, piss on these niggas, they lames, call the cops. They niggas come around, young, all they gonna do is throw me behind bars. Put my game on, young nigga, what you saying, son? What you see, young, with my frame, young? I got no friends, son, that's why my life is done from the darkness. Behind the game is dead in the hood, son, and regardless, y'all niggas out there acting like you know the boy, young. They talk their opposite dumbness. Come on, dog, talk my pistol and stay positive, nigga. Why don't you stay out my pocket, pussy ass? Think about pop clips in your brain, son. You already know the business. Little pistol in the game, son. You already know I'm that little nigga that grew up from a motherfucking little nigga that used to be young. Yeah, young, so soft with it. Now I'm the boss kid, come on, dog, who the fuck gon' follow me? Or who wanna be dead, nigga? I hollow in the heat, come on, dog, swallow you while you asleep. You already know that you will meet your death. From the kid of the game, and come on, raise it from the coffin, from the red roses, motherfucker. Niggas come around the kid from grassroots, from the grown man to the tip, little nigga, talking fast, dog. You already know before I shoot, knock niggas' heads off, nigga. You already know, dog. Nigga, take your head off, nigga. Come on, dog. What the fuck you saying? I ain't got no limit to it, yeah. Come on, dog. I got no time, young. Yeah, the spin kid on this wasting my time. Little niggas out there on the hood, son, talking shit, trying to rhyme. I'm trying to waste my time at net. Come on, dog, waste my time trying to be on my track. You already know, be on my sack, be on my dick, nigga. Come on, dog, like a snack. Come on, dog, you already know, like you fucking fiending. Hungry and starving like a motherfucking greedy little niggas out there, young. Don't appreciate nothing. Greedy bitch ass niggas come over in the hood, son. See me, young, running it. Mob life, nigga. I'm in this game, nigga. Head hunting. Knocking niggas' heads. You see them guns, young? Yeah, I want it. Give me all them motherfuckers, huh? Give me them soldiers, huh? You already done killing niggas in apartments. You already know your houses. You killing niggas while they throw food in their mouth, son. You already know they like mouse, son. They fucking dipping so fast. With the clip I blast. Niggas come around, you flapping through the past. Come around, nigga. Slow pistol, nigga. Better recognize where you running shit. I'm running the game, son. Running like you running your kicks. You bitch ass nigga, I'm coming around with it. Yeah. Freestyle Junior, nigga. Back. DM motherfucker. 2025.